Unpacking number 4, which is yung number 3 ay si ano natin, si Sun GD02 Gundam card game. May gunting na tayo, nakakatakot eh. Wows. Okay. Another resource. Una. Raider Gundam. Si Core Booster. Abdul Magalak. Mas okay ito, nababasa natin eh. Delta Plus. Gundam Air Master. Tapos si Grace Reader. Dotres Weapon. Si Dotres Command. Dalawa na tayong Dotres. At si Beneath the Mask. Yan, kilala natin yan. Pero hindi niya pangalan si Beneath the Mask. Gains was this. Yan. At reverse rare. Reverse hollow. Another reverse. At another reverse na naman. Hindi tayo nakakakuha ng solid eh. Reverse to? Hindi ko alam. Inaaral pa natin. So, yun lang.